Now, we're going back to the debate on Rahul Gandhi's speech. Jayanti Natarajan, the other point which Rahul Gandhi makes is about the Lokpal. He said, when people demand an honest and efficient governance, we respond by getting the Lokpal Act passed. He also accuses the BJP of not allowing critical legislations to be passed in Parliament. And Mr. Prasad is the deputy leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha. He should actually answer that. But my first question, actually, let's go to Mr. Prasad first on that. Because Mr. Prasad, on that, he's right. You're holding up critical legislation, whereas he's pushing bills like the Lokpal as soon as, he claims, as soon as there is public demands for it.
Arnav, I'm very happy you have raised this question. You may recall they got a Lokpal bill passed in the Lok Sabha, which was completely non-accountable. A lot of provisions were there which ought not to have been there. You remember it came in the Rajya Sabha. We objected to it. At 12 o'clock in the night, the whole session was suddenly abruptly adjourned, and thereafter nothing happened. Ultimately, when we forced, a select committee was constituted. A select committee gave a report. Jayanti had become a minister, and that select committee report, a very good select committee report, no action was taken for full 1 year. Every session we used to demand. It was only last year, and you rightly pointed out, when Anna Hazare were there, when we were agitating, suddenly Lokpal bill, as approved by the select.
So you're saying Rahul should not have made that point on, you're saying Rahul's point on the Lokpal was a discrepancy? You're saying that was a discrepancy, because if you are, then we'll get Jayanti to respond.
Absolute discrepancy.
Ms. Natarajan.
2 years of deliberate delay. And in Lok Sabha, a kind of bill was introduced and passed in a hurry.
Ms. Natarajan.
A lot of infirmity. And all those, a Congress chairman of select committee, Mr. Chaturvedi, agreed with us. And yet, they took 1.5 years to pass it.
Ms. Natarajan, is that correct? After all, the Lokpal was ready in January 2013 when the cabinet cleared the recommendations of the select committee. Despite that, the Congress did not bring the bill for discussion in the budget and the monsoon sessions. And eventually, Anna Hazare went on another fast. And then the Congress passed it after losing the state elections again in December 2013. Am I wrong?
Yes, that is exactly the point.
The Lokpal bill,
Let her reply, sir.
Has been brought and passed by the Congress. It went to a select committee. The government accepted almost all the, if I remember correctly, Ravi may correct me if I'm wrong, almost all the recommendations of the select committee. This is the amount that this government respects democracy. Whatever was suggested in the select committee by a cross-section of all the members was included in the Lokpal bill, and the fact of the matter is it was not any other party, but it was the Congress, the Congress-headed government, which passed the Lokpal bill. Now,
no, but you didn't act on it for a year.
No, but the point is, we did pass it. There were many reasons why.
I'll have to come in here.
After losing the elections, he wants to come back.
Every session. No, I'm sorry. Every session of Parliament was disrupted by the opposition.
After it was passed in Lok Sabha in 2011, I'll have to speak here.
Every day.
6 to 8 months,
that's an entirely
they were
different
not
issue.
agreeable for a select committee.
That's an entirely different issue.
We were demanding for it.
Today's Lokpal bill.
No, it is a very important guarantee.
Every day Parliament
you were trying to delay it as much as you can.
Was not allowed to function.
And then select committee 1 year again.
And that is what was pointed out by Rahulji today. Every single day Parliament was disrupted by the opposition for some reason or another.
Come on.
And government pleaded with them to allow Parliament to function. Opposition kept saying they had one issue or some other issue on some reason.
Let me come in here again.
They said it was the
counter.
No, it is very. Let the fact be corrected. I'm sorry for interrupting, Jayanti. If you can get a right to education passed, if you can get land acquisition passed, if you can get the food security bill passed, why did you not?
Are you saying there was a conspiracy to block it?
Was there interruption?
Are you saying there was a conspiracy to block it?
If you remember, I'm sorry, there's no such thing.
Delay of 2 years.
If you remember, I was also there in Parliament. If you remember,
because of
the entire opposition said,
they were forced to pass.
No, if you remember, the entire opposition said,
Jayanti,
Mr. Anna Hazare may be supporting,
who also plays a part in parliamentary functioning. You know it very well. I am saying so with full sense of responsibility. Delay of 2 to 3 years.
I was also there, Ravi. I mean, I know what happened too.
Conspiracy.
Yes. No, yes. Aarti Jarat says all party conspiracy. Okay. Madhukar Jaitley.
Absolutely. The BJP made no effort to pass the law
Madhukar
when they were
Jaitley.
in power.
Madhukar Jaitley, tell me, you know, you're from the Samajwadi Party.
Arnab, before you go to Mr. Okay.
No,
Okay.
just 1 second. Let's not, you know, apart from these details, do you feel Rahul Gandhi has been able to give a fresh thrust of enthusiasm to the Congress cadre today with his otherwise very vocal, very aggressive speech? You know, leave aside the details of content that we are speaking about. Will he be able to simply, with his kind of delivery, the aggression, be able to win the confidence back of the Congress workers that all is not lost yet?
You see, the Congress will have to live up to the expectations of the people, and the way today's speech has been delivered, I have a feeling that there is a great challenge before the campaign, in charge of the campaign committee who has been appointed by the Congress party.
Why?
And therefore, in the days to come, it is going to be very interesting to see how they will be able to face the electorate and how will they be able to win the confidence of the workers of the Congress as well as the people of this country.
No, you're not impressed? If you're not impressed, tell me one reason why. Then we'll get her to respond, because you've been very generic in your opening observations.
You see, I actually was not able to listen to the whole speech of Mr. Gandhi because I was traveling. So, but otherwise, whatever little or more I have been able to read, I feel that there is a great challenge, and the Congress president, the Congress vice president, will have to prove himself in order to be able to win the confidence of the people through his words which he has expressed today.
Okay, we give a last word to Vinod Mehta before we go to panel 2. Yes, Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, your question is very relevant. Has Rahul been able to win the support of the cadres of the Congress party today by his speech? I think the answer
Yes.
must be partially.
No.
But I think
Mr.
things
Mehta,
are
I am
so
a
far
cadre.
gone.
I was there.
So
I'm
far
telling
gone.
you that he won the total support and commitment and loyalty of the cadre.
Can you keep Jayanti
He energized
Natarajan
the
quiet
cadre.
for some time? Please let me finish. Can you keep Jayanti
Mr.
Natarajan
Mehta,
quiet
how
so
can you
that I
talk
can...
for the cadre?
Can I just
You
get...
can't talk
this
for the
is my
cadre.
second
You should talk
sentence.
for yourself.
This is my second
No, but you
sentence
should-
in 1 hour. Arnab, this is my
I beg
second
your pardon.
sentence in 1 hour.
You don't get there's no
I beg
sympathy vote on the news. Yes.
I beg your
Can I
pardon,
get
Mr.
my
Mehta,
second
but you're not
sentence in 1
Congress
hour?
cadre.
Yeah, go ahead.
Otherwise, please don't send my check. Please don't send my check.
I'll keep quiet, I'll keep silent, but you're not the Congress cadre. We are.
Can I just say what I was saying? That he has won the support
I'm silent.
in some sense of a disheartened party which was hoping that he would be anointed as the prime ministerial candidate. But this is like the Titanic. It's too late. It's just too late. But I wish him the best of luck.
Okay.
This is a good effort, but it's too late.
Okay. Good attempt, too late. Ravi Shankar Prasad, you
Arnab,
raised
can
your
I
hand
raise a
there.
last
Last word
comment?
to you.
No, I don't think Mr. Rahul Gandhi needs the National Council of his party and an aggressive speech to win the heart and minds of his cadres. The cadres are always there with the family. There is no doubt and dispute about it. What was more important was for Rahul Gandhi to make a speech to win India. And I'm sorry to say that is not the case. The country is yearning for a
Okay.
change, a better change, a promising India, which only the BJP and its leader, Mr. Modi, can give. The people of the country know it very surely and clearly.
Okay. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Vinod Mehta, Jayanti Natarajan, Mr. Jaitley, and Aarti Jairath, I thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to take a short break.